What's up, my people? What's up? What's up? What's up? Boy, I tell you, me there. Wanna miss me? Well, me know for sure a few wanna miss me. Because a few of you did reach out and ask me what I go on. Who not ask me? Say what happened to me. I tell me, say them boring. Rose, big up yourself. Now tell me, say them boring. So if not all, be sure know a few of you did I wonder what happened. But people, but it kind of have a little book schedule and thing, and my hairdresser kind of piss me off because when I see my ear still not come after pull out 1 week and other go. And I sit down and wait for her Monday. She not come. Tuesday she not come. Wednesday she not come. She said alright Thursday. I tell her 3 o'clock. When I reach, she never did it. She gonna look for her son. Gonna for her son at school. After go for her son at school, me come back now. I see somebody sit down and wait for her. So I say, so this woman here I gotta do before my one after me I wait so long? Yes, after she. And I was so pissed, people. I was so pissed. And the first hairdresser me use for wash and comb my ear, where all 1 o'clock, 12 o'clock at night my ear I comb. Me not ramping time my ear for comb. And me now just run in for you and say, well, me I come wash and comb my ear. Me make sure get the time in advance, the date when me I come. And for she knows like every 2 weeks, whether the Wednesday or the Thursday. So it kind of pissed me off and thing, and me have some little thing to deal with otherwise. So I just said so. Plus me kind of feel tired, so I can make it up phone and say me can go on 2 video for today. Yes, me I go to say me can, me not promising, but me I say me can. As a matter of fact, me I gonna try say me can do the 2 video from now. I don't see at night. I don't know, me normally do the morning video in the night, and then if you don't get an evening video, I normally get it probably the other day. Sometimes I do it the same night. But me I say me can do it tonight, because I don't do the 2 video tonight, only go get 1. So I have to try and do the 2 of them tonight. So right after I do this, I might have to do another video. Alright? So just stay tuned and know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up on the video. Please to watch the ads, continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV, and go over on TikTok and follow me over there. Remember the time I wind down where we'll keep a little party, party where we keep for every age. You're not too old. Oh, and if you're even old, you're not cold. Oh, and remember, the older the moon, the brighter it shine. The older the wine, the better it tastes. So nobody sit down and come up on yourself and talk about you old. You understand? All the people that are up in an age, we used to them old, it's them Alton Ellis and them John Holt, them something they are going to play too. But at the same time, me know when you go certain little party, when we rock to the nowadays 90s. Not the nowadays skin out and rare, but the 90s and little dance hall and thing, especially when a clean song. So whether you're Christian, you're Whirlian, you're turn back, or you're what, we're gonna have all genre music for you. So just follow me on TikTok. When I just out an hour ago I check, I want like 5 more, somebody to make 1,000 followers on TikTok, and it come very quick. December to now. Wow, I like that. So I keep on a build the channel. I've not do a live over there as yet. I just be a video, me I post some like a short commentary and thing, real life story and sagas when I post over there. Very interested, you can go over there. As you see, sometime I compile them, I'm gonna put them on the Life is a Mission channel. So you can just go over there, go and support and prepare. I keep a little own party. You understand? So follow me over there, because over there so the music can play, and favorite it also, because we still don't know what becomes of TikTok, after what 90 days where Donald Trump give, we still don't know what will come of TikTok, because if the Chinese them decide to them not giving away 50% of them business, what will happen. So we have to go run to favorite it. Alright? So we know that go. So we just go follow me on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV, and favorited Life is a Mission TV. Alright? And remember the cash app is there, $ Charms and Trends. When you give me, I use a gift to give back to the needy. And please remember, go support my merch on Charms and Trend.shop website. You can check the Instagram page for anything you want over there. Charm_and_trends and Instagram. Anything you see over there, get it customized to your liking. And if you want it customized, you just drop it in the DM for further information. And that is it. Good customer care service, quality goods for affordable prices. And if you want anything you see as it is on the business page, you can go straight to the website and make your purchase. Charmsandtrend.shop. Alright, people. Well, people, I see this video from between Friday night to Saturday morning. This video, I think I see this one Saturday morning. Yes, Saturday morning. But as I said, I never have no time for deal with no video. Where Marcia come out and I cuss some woman that I think that person, cause me not hear the live with the woman from Donna program, But basically she come out. I don't know, she had done a program, she got have something to say. Because if this woman did it anywhere else on any other program, probably she wouldn't even hear the woman. But because she invest so much time in a Donna business, Donna program, Donna life, everything as me say Donna do, they will always see. Or anybody who communicate with Donna or come on Donna program, they will always see. And at the same time, them always just a pass, them always just click, them just a stroll, it just pop up. Lie. We know it's lie. We know everything that happened, them even know it before enough of we planker. Because look at me now, I never hear of that, I never watch it, I never know. But at the same time, she know, because she said for her notification, when time notification come in, Donna, you know, just have to read it, you know, you get a voice to it. So anyway, her phone put on, when Donna go live, she hear, Donna gone live. It not just pop up and say, Donna go live. She have voice audio, because I must so it go. Because I don't know how them quick for know Donna on live, so. And then come tell lie about them a peep or them a fast or them a score. So she cuss out the woman. You understand? And where this woman here said to where she a counteract the woman with, she never did say nothing different. But guess what? When she did say what she has said all because she want to get at the plankers who she feel like who is undocumented in America, who not have this, who not have that. You understand? So all of a sudden now when she realize anything possible with her she too, as an American citizen, it's like she get uncomfortable in her skin. So she start think the other way now. So it's like she come out now and defend people who is undocumented, people who liable to get in a trouble with Trump based on him situation and how he might behave. Yes, she start pick up for these people. But at first, she want Trumpy to come in. Because when Trumpy rasp, when Trumpy blood, when Trumpy, sorry for someone to push, yes. All of that gone, a different thinking now. She a pick up for them people now. So she come out and she cuss. I also hear that a video I go on, but I go and probably search that video and do my research where she a cuss Natalie, or Natalie come America, come spend much month and fly down and quick she fly up back with Donna. What that have to do with you? But me I go find that video there and deal with that video there and assess that video there different if me find it. Alright? But me gonna try to show you how them invest them time in a people business more than how them invest time in a for them business. Alright? So I'm gonna stay tuned and listen up. Marcia at it. Not me, she.
My dear, I passed over face YouTube because I was coming here. So I pressed by 99 page.
She
I
passed.
see that they were having
Never
a discussion.
pass. You get special notification.
So I say she having a discussion about immigration and people that have no status. Me hear this little hypocrite woman on her page.
Who are more hypocrite than you?
I talk about when people are come off foreign.
This video shows you are hypocrite.
Shut your blood clot up. What kind of plan people have? So one make it never come talk that when Biden was in power. One make it never come talk that when Bush was in power. One make it never come talk that when Clinton and President Obama was in power. Now that Trumpy coming at immigration, you coming at one like yeah, miss.
Alright. Before she go no further. In any and everything you do, you have to have a plan. No matter what. If the rich man go out there and say, I'm going to invest in money, he have a plan for investing money. It's only a fool I go do anything in a life and don't have a plan. And you can't have just plan A. Because if you have just plan A, when you go out there and plan A fail, you're going to turn idiot. When if you did have plan B and C, after plan A and B failure, you could have turned to plan C and you're frightened if you see how quick you have a turnaround. Despite your plan A and B did fail, you know. You see C where you never really have much confidence in her, and it be successful. And when I say never have much plan in her, at the same business, you know, but guess what, I mean, probably did only plan for say, boy, alright, me I work with that business here, you know. And I go sell only towel. But towel now go and fee and you pay much rent for the business. So you start sell some other little thing like some deodorant and them something there, and it still not work out. And you say, no, I build one shelf over there, so I'm going to start sell little flour and little rice and tin mackerel. And you're frightened if you see that work out. And that way that work out now, it end up start turn the towel business. You understand what I say to you? And it start turn the deodorant business because the people them will come to buy flour and rice start to say you sell towel and them say you sell deodorant. And them members say ratty but me roll and run out. Them members say ratty no say towel in my bathroom I fuzz out. Me want one towel. Me like them then and them buy one. Boom! Plan C, kick off B and A. So in everything you do you have to have plan A, plan B and plan C. If you have to go D and E to you go. Because what? You have plan for anything happen. You can't change your plan because you're not plan for failure, you know. And if your plan is only about plan A, when plan A no work, a fail, you can fail. So in everything you have to have a plan. So don't ask why the people don't ever come when Bill Clinton, when Biden, when this, just because you don't have a plan, none at all for 40 years to the America, you don't have no plan. But it is so frightening for you to have a turnaround now, want to talk about somebody who is saying something positive about people should have a plan. But because you don't have a plan and it's all about Donna program, it have been said, you take it personal. Because remember a few months ago before the election run, you was one of them that talk about, wait man, chumpy this, chumpy that, you know, wait till chumpy come in. You never know say when chumpy come in, things liable to affect you. And it's a possibility that it can affect you. You never know that. So now you're kind of in your shell because you don't know what can happen. You understand? But me did always I tell you, say, remember, say, when you come out here, wave about citizenship and a wave book, it is the property of the United States. And when you're looking at it and pull it in, and the part where say place of birth, it never say United States. It said Jamaica. So they can always revoke that book from you. So I don't see why you should have fret now. That's why you did want plan A with plan B and C and D.
Oh, the two shows that are about plan. What kind of blood clot plan when people that take a little opportunity to go America? How many people come America without a plan? And them take a little chances and send one go build a house and send up for them pitney and buy what they need to buy and carry them pitney come in the country. What
You're not talking nothing with sense.
Eh? You have one like so just because you have your bumbo.
A lot of people drop in America, whichever way them drop, whether the border, the side, or the water, whether banana boat, plant the boat, or onion boat. Yes, them come there for the opportunity. But no matter what you go say, you have to have a plan with the opportunity. What is your plan? What you plan for do? You have a plan to sleep on a bus stop or bus shed or train station or you have to catch with somebody. You have to have a plan. Because if you don't have a plan, that simply means you're going to solely depend on luck. And if even when luck come, you still have to have a plan. Because if luck come, say for instance, a woman buck up on a man, we're willing to marry to her, them start a family, and whatsoever, and she get her legal status in America, she still have to have a plan, you know. Anyway, you take it plan have to involve. So I don't know how you make it look like this woman we are talking about, them should have a plan. Because you don't have a plan and you never have a plan in 40 odd years. Because basically you're feeling so guilty of what this woman is saying because you have achieved nothing over 40 odd years. So it is basically you never have a plan. So because the woman is talking about having a plan and you know you never have one, you feel so offended about what the woman said. Whatever she said. Because me say no. I know me not hear what the woman say no. I just you wake up and hear a cuss, you know. Me see a title and me hear you cuss and me say right, you know, me see what going over here so. Because you know you are the big deal, you know. So we have to come over there because you are feed you and if you don't talk we can't eat. You understand? If you don't talk we can't eat. But me sure you know so I know your money me take by 800 US send up and get 6 buff. I end up buy what? 4? And me did that man the promise me sell me. Yeah, give me some so me end up still take it. Call it 800 US, yes, but it's only that at the time the person if you carry it up did have to move so I couldn't wait for the next person so me only send up 4. Me sure know so I know your money that me take and buy them that. And me sure know when me stack up my baby, like a young baby. Well no young baby so 1 year old now, quick time fly. Next month my 1 year old. Me sure know so I know your money. But me just give you your props because you say you want it. Are you a feed with? Me sure know. I sure know so I know your money. But if you want to believe, sir, you have to feed us. So when I go and run go over there and I see you talk, no, I have to do the video, but I never have time to do it today. Because I don't know how you just jump down on this woman you saw. The woman that talk about plan. In life, everybody have to have a plan. Because if you don't have a plan in life, you're foolish. Even if you're going to build a house, if you even don't go to an architect to draw a plan, you have to have a plan in your head. You can't just make the mason say, boy, come, mason, black up right here, son. Black up right here, son. Black up right here, son. And when you're done, black it up, we're going to decide where we're going to do right here, son. No, you have to decide that before you black it up. You understand? Because you can't have a space, you can build a 14 by 14 bedroom. And you might have another little space now, you can build one little 6 by 6 kitchen. And a little bathroom with a 4 by 6 space. And then now, what you do now, you go black up the bedroom 16 by 16. So you cut piece of the bathroom space and you cut piece of the kitchen space. And then when you don't know, you realize, so you cut the bathroom and the kitchen space. What you going to do now? Lick up back the bedroom wall? Forget back that space there? No. So you have to go in there and analyze it first. And have the plan in your head and say, alright, measure up this. The kitchen for be 6 by 4 and the bathroom for by 4 by 4 or whatsoever. And the bedroom 14 by 14. Because after you cannot lick down. Yes, you can, but how it go cost? No, you, while if you just simply have a plan, you never have to do all of that. So I don't know how this woman you're talking about plan burn you so much. But you are done a program the woman come on. If I did your program and the woman talk, this is going to be a problem to you.
And go sit down. The way did you come and talk about plan? What kind of plan? When some of the people are running from all abuse. Somebody want to kill them.
You never run from nothing at all.
What kind of plan? Eh? With the American, we don't even have a pussy clad plan. And we have green care Americans.
Because you're worthless.
And take chances. All of a sudden now, president.
Same thing I get the president who left Jamaica go foreign go there with a plan. And the worthless one never go there with no plan. Some might unfortunate.
What kind of plan? Hello? What kind of plan you're going to have? And everybody come America straight. You're taking an opportunity to see what you can get. How comes all of a sudden you come and talk about, oh, they should have a plan.
So you take an opportunity to see what you can get. Yes, no problem. But when you get that opportunity, you have to start. If you even never have the plan before you get the opportunity, once you get the opportunity, you drop and you land in that opportunity where you get, you're supposed to start have a plan in your head. What is my next move? What next I am going to do? So a plan is a major thing. So don't come out here like the woman talk anything wrong. But me say, why you take it so serious? It's because you get caught. You never have no plan. You know no plan. Can you not? Further down me you talk about land at Jamaica. Which part you have land at Jamaica, eh? But I go and low you make you go and talk.
You come here. Some people come here and don't even have a ask what they stay. Eh?
All the way you talk on nothing new.
Some people come here. You know how much people may put up?
Every day you talk this. But people come there and don't even have a place to stay. We know that. Regular this happen. A man even come there and say I come against him family. And within 2 weeks him family throw him out. But at the same time, that don't mean him never have no plan. That don't mean him never have no plan, you know, he do have a plan. So I don't know what you talk about. It's just that him get thrown out. But him plan was, okay, we are going to stay with people them for 2 months. You understand? Never know them would throw him out within 2 weeks or a week. But this is what I say, if you have plan B, what if your family throw you out before the 2 months or the month where you plan to stay with them? You have to know, say, alright, I can go check my virgin down the road and tell him to me I beg him a 2 night. Him throw me out, him give me 2 nights, I can go around there. So, and if I not get no, I know so that bus shed there, the train stop there, so I go sleep. You have to have plan. There must be a plan. Is either the plan going to work or it not work. Oh.
20s. Do you know how many people I put up strangers?
Every day you talk that. Where you go?
Punch. What kind of plan? What kind of plan when people need an opportunity? Woman over there because
So when you get the plan,
Rules and
when you get the
regulations.
opportunity, you don't have to have a plan for it.
They should
Why?
have come here with a plan. What kind of plan? And everybody come here straight. Some people come here can't even blood clot read and write. Some people come here, I hear them come to learn to read and write and go on like a home care class.
I wonder if when you get the opportunity, if you have the plan.
They should have come here with a plan. Then the people, most of the people will never come here with a plan, and them are sitting now. And the one they will come here with plan, they will have dry crackers. The one they will never come without. When people just want a little opportunity. What kind of plan? What make you never come talk that? What make Miss Lady never keep show? When Biden was in power. Why she never keep sure about that when Clinton, when Obama was in power? All of a sudden, everybody come on social media and go on like.
So, what you want people to do? Talk about things like they are profit then. You want people to talk about things that has not happened yet, or they don't see a vision that is going to happen. That is it. Because during Biden time, what is going on now with Trump wasn't going on. So they couldn't talk about it. You have to talk about what is presently happening. So, say for instance, the plane and the helicopter crash. I want to hear about that situation there. So, what you're trying to say, people, alright, make I put it this way. Donna should have come out here and whosoever talk about plan and whatsoever should have come out before the plane and the helicopter crash. Come talk about the plane and the helicopter. You have to talk about something we are going, current things we are going and something will happen. What you want people to do? Come out, come predict things we are going to happen? Or be these false prophets who are coming out here, come tell us, well, okay, right, the leaf on the tree soon turn money. By 2026, every leaf on this tree is going to turn cash. You can go to the shop and the bank with. And all when 2030, you can't see the leaf a change a ton money. Only see when I go come on and say them a false prophet. So, with where your friend Chumpy come in and do no one whatsoever, and it's a big talk, this is what people is going to talk about. And people is going to share them feelings towards what them have happened. Me might agree with what Chumpy do. That man they might not agree. Me might disagree with that with what they say what him do. And that man over there so might agree. I saw it go. Everybody got them believe. Everybody got them own say. So what is the problem if somebody come and say you're supposed to have a plan? Why them should talk this? Everybody should know so them if you have a plan. Especially let me talk for Jamaica. Every single body will left Jamaica and go America or any other foreign country. If you left Jamaica with a plan, unless you have to turn your back against Jamaica and decide, can no phone do it, you know. Turn your back on Jamaica, you know. And when the attack claps come in, not even relative, you don't have to run back to down here, you know. And if you have relative to run back to down here, you know, shame. Because when you're up there and things okay, we don't know. You never remember relative and friend. Not even a line, a letter, or a 50-cent stamp as a Bujo Bantan that say things change. You never see say life hard. Why you never send your money come a yard? You rich you. Now you living like not a line, not a letter, nor a 50-cent stamp. Mama there go to remittance. Me hear the boy get the. Me say send him back Uncle Chum. Cause him the dead and a ram. No, yes man. You understand what I say to you? So me don't know when I say everybody supposed to have a plan. But because you left here, and you left here in a state where somebody sorry for your mama gave you as puss kitten from a tender age, you becomes American citizen according to you. You see the free mentality where you can live under America. You know, think of doing nothing at all for yourself. Because your mentality is to live free, live off taxpayers' money, that government have all these different things to offer to you, and then you come on social media and brag about it. For a big deal, you should be shamed. To be bragging off and all these things that government have to offer, free, what taxpayers have to pay for. As me say, you know, people older than you still working, paying tax. So why all these years you stop from work to pay tax? Where you say you don't run a business, we should have sheep business when not accumulate no funds? Eh?
Them are expertise. Miss Lady just come here over 6 months ago. After she come here, she don't even pay one Ross tax. She spent 3 months and go back a yard and spend 3 months and come back. She not qualified to sit
You're
down
living at the woman passport,
no blood clot immigration status. The only reason why because she have a big page. But that the woman there not put this money. She's some blood clot bias. Because she gets you already and get a little loophole. Now she come like so she have put on the people them with her. Me always say them should married.
She get fair like a loophole. I don't know if it's Donna she attack or the woman that make the statement say them should have plan. But the part of me want to worry about you now. She said she have put on the people them. So man say all of this you never did do it a couple months ago. All of this you did do it a couple months ago, you know. All of this you did do a couple months ago. All these non-documented people. All these people that them status not clear in America. You used to come out here and wave your book. When you used to wave your book and talk of all the things them, these are the same person you used to lick out against. Where this woman might come and say, should I have plan? These are the same persons. Whether them used to in a social media saying this or saying that. But in general, these are the same person used to come out here and brag and wave your book, say you're citizen for 40 years and this and that. These are the same person this woman here is saying overall, them should have plan. And nothing wrong with that. You understand? You have to have a plan. If your plan fail you, so be the case. But as them say, you have to have plan A, plan B, plan C, and if you have to go D, E, till you go Z. Oh?
They should be going to party, they should be doing certain things and get you and take chances. But you have to tell people if you go to the country with a RAS plan way. When you want better, and the people with plan, and them send back money to the economy in Jamaica, the one where they don't have the paper, that's why the president of the United States are trying to stop it now. Be sending money out of the country. They won't come up with a way of making people who don't have the paper can't send home nothing because them know say them contribute to the resources and the economy back in their countries and helping their people and stuff like that. I always tell her to wait until at least 12:30. When you go too early.
The man want to go film lunch. But true she up in her feelings and cuss out the woman over Donna now. We are talking about this plan. She don't ready to carry the man for lunch. She try to tell the man saying to wait till XYZ time. And I'm going to tell the man, so when you go early, they don't serve you early. So wait. Them have special people where them serve early? Me no know, me just a hawks. Because based on what she has said, them serve certain people first. But the people that when them serve first is who go early. Then that's why the man want you go early. Why you want go late? Because you want to sit down for finish what you do. Pan the life. And when the man insists she carry the life down there now. And then when two them now serve the man within 5 minutes she reach down there. Because you reach down there go see other people. She start talking about, see it, I told you, you see it? Oh no, they don't look at us. Well, the man for wait till they done your life. I walk here, walk in a girl. Walk here, walk.
We have to wait until they serve the other people that goes there early before us. Sometimes the chefs don't even come on time. You know that. Yeah, hold on. Months. My birthday, I start counting down to my birthday. Let me see what they have. They don't have anything today. Hot cocoa and treats with Girl Scout shoes. February 9th.
Yeah man, them free living and live it today you want. And the plan that you have to live free. That's the only plan you have to live free in America.
Talking like that. Like she want to put on the people there. I hate when them little people come from place and I go on like say a place to she. and I make it seem like, oh, you have to come America with a plan. You don't have to come America plan. America is the plan. America is the plan.
So if America is the plan, Marcia, and you're there for 40 years, America just come give you things where it is. What have you achieved? America is the plan. So basically, you don't have to have a plan to get what you want out of America. America is just going to give it to you. So show us what America have give to you. Come on, show us. Show us. America is the plan. And you have been there for 40 odd years. Show us what America have give to you. I want a job down at D&G or Excelsior Biscuit or Alaska Company. Yes, that's my plan. To work down Alaska, D&G Biscuit Company, down at the wharf. But at the same time, if I don't put my plans and effort together to gain what I can gain from the wharf, Alaska and D&G, which is a job, whether in any form of category, whether I even sweep up the yard, I still have a plan for know say, well, when I sweep up the yard and I get me look at 2 pence halfpenny a week time, this I go around the corner there and this have to carry me back to the week, because my plan is 5, 8, 10, 20 years from now, if me even there so I work, I'm supposed to achieve this. That's what you call a plan. You understand? You want to work a wharf. Wharf not don't just give something to you because you want to work a wharf and you're down there. Because you will be getting your salary weekly, fortnightly, or monthly. And at the end of the following week, you don't see $1. Because you never have no plan. So when you talk about America is the plan, somebody come to America, look at you. You're a prime example. You have been an American for how much years? But you not have no plan. And you never have no plan. And you will never have a plan. Because you're still not learning. You say God bless you after last year, all that you have been through in the winter. You understand? And you say God bless you just before this winter season. But guess what? The same mistakes you have made before the winter season, before this one, that you end up in whatever dilemma. Everybody know what it's all about and all where you go through the eviction and all them something there. Living into hotel, living into your vehicle, living into shelter, where you call it storage and all those stuff. And you no learn, you come back with the same bragging, you shop, you have to get your little pay and a little YouTube money, you go and you buy this, you buy that, you buy everything, and you this, and you want to eat the biggest of food because you want to come out here and prove against social media people. When all these people that you're proving against, most of them are live better than you. Because despite you're not seeing them coming into the phone like myself, come eat crab leg, and me gone in our store, go and buy this and buy that every day, and whatsoever, we have live far better than you. Because guess what, we have a plan. We have a plan and we spend wisely. Unlike you do it just to come out here on social media to prove a point to us. While we don't need to prove any point to you. And that is what is going to carry you right back to where you're coming from last winter. So you not learn. And this is why you not have no plan. And this is why when the woman has said over Donna program burn you so much. Because the woman has said nothing wrong. And she not say nothing more than what you did have said before. All of a sudden you switch your mouth now.
They was talking like that when President Bush, Clinton, Biden was in power. Obama, who deport the most immigrants under female leadership. And everybody knew what this money was all about. Hold on, let me see if I turn off the speaker. This woman over there, they should have a plan. She didn't have none when she come here?
You wouldn't know that. You can't know that. You can't know that.
She didn't have none. Nobody didn't have the plan. Even who filed for never have the plan. Some people left them job at Jamaica and their parents filed for them have to start over from scratch. They never have
Some people left them job at Jamaica and them parents file for them and them come to America. Them never have no plan. Is it that she is mistaken having a plan and having no ambition? Me I try to wonder because she said enough people left them job of come a foreign. Them people file for them. Them have no plan. So me I wonder if she a mix up no ambition and no plan. Because if me die yard at work and my people then file for me, whatsoever. Me supposed to come to America with a plan. Is if the plan is going to fail me. And everybody come and have a plan is the right plan. Because some people come with a plan where them know definitely won't work out. Because you come with a plan say, okay, me used to drive bulldozer. You never ever fly a plane yet. But you want to come fly a plane without the requisite training to fly a plane. How it going to work out? Now only God can help you, you know. But then again, who is going to run the risk to give you an aeroplane to fly? Even if you alone and go up in the air with it, who is going to run that risk? Unless you buy that aircraft for yourself. So, plans like those won't work out. Because you never go to any flight school before. A bulldozer you used to drive, so you want to come fly a plane. So you can't come to America with a plan there and just expect you to just jump in a plane or people are just put in a plane for fly without any form of simulation and training towards flying plane. But if me left my yard, which is Jamaica, whichever way I reach a foreign, I say, alright, my plan is enough to go work 10 years. Hard work, if me have to work in 3 jobs where many people know are doing, and you come on your platform, come cuss them day in, day out. Where someone have to work 3 jobs, and someone not live nowhere, someone don't even have that, someone don't even have time for themselves. Yes, all of those people have planned. That's why them willingly go out there go work 3 jobs, because them give themselves a time frame, say within 5, 6 years or 10 years, this is what I want to achieve. So them come hard for it. So them can complete their mission. You understand? Unlike you don't have that. So me don't know if you have mistake, non-ambition. Because you are so non-ambitious, you know. So me don't know if you have mixed up that with plan. Plan and non-ambitious is 2 different things, Marcia. Stop make people laugh off of you. Stop clown out yourself. When you come back, Marcia, I give some work around the backyard. Yeah. Wash down the water drum, pack up the coal bomb, pack up the buckle then.
That is it. If you have a man or a man who is married to them, some of them fault. Them spend too much time in a dance hall and party. And when they come and tell themselves, fine, I'll go home with man married too. And pay up their money, drop on the book and pay up their money, they're not do it. They go find themselves pregnant and having baby carry fruits and sweet them and the section 8 sweet.
So hold on now, people. Me ask you a question now. So, when she say yes or no, me ask you a question. Are the same people this way she blame now, you know, say, are some of them fault? Why it is some of them fault? Because are the same thing where the woman has said. Them never have no plan. Who different here say right here so now? Eh? Are this simple the woman has say no, them never have no plan? But you come right, you know I said this. And you always have said this long before. No. So with this woman come out, you come say, them not have no plan. Shouldn't be a big issue where you is concerned. But as me say, once a 99 program or somebody associate with 99 do or say anything, you know always I go blow it out of proportion. But if this person it come on your program, Tina program, or none of your allied program, and say all with them say over Donna program, it wouldn't be an issue. You wouldn't even turn the black of your eye pan with the woman say. But all because of Donna. Yes man, all because of Donna. I saw no time.
I never know so this man planning to take. He never know so the devil was coming. The devil always a come at the end of time. Nobody no safe boy. All green card no. If you have a green card and you commit any defense, harass, drunk driving, anything, he might take it away from you. You now get a citizenship. Any felony for your green card, you're going right back home. So green card holder, not safe. You're vexed because it's not you who had the interview.
Yes, right.
You're too jealous.
Right.
Interview? What may I do interview for? My talking is more than it.
You go hear she say no, say like a she done a pattern. A she done a follow. Cause these things are what she did at a long time. You ever do things long time. You coming like Tina, she first. You coming like Tina, she first. And all the way you say you always do, you don't have the evidence and proof of it. When the person type in your comment and say, I don't lie, you're jealous. Because me said just before, if I did your program, the woman said this, you wouldn't have a problem. If anyone of your friend them platform, the woman did come and say what she say over Donna, you wouldn't have a problem. And you make it look as if, oh, it's Donna. I say what I say. Or Donna tell the woman to come say. There is a conversation going on, whatever, or there's a situation that is happening in America that cause everybody to having different conversation over it. And if the line open on the woman platform for someone to call in to voice their growth, their opinion, what they take on the situation, and this woman come saying most of these people did not have a plan. What bad the woman say? She don't say nothing bad. Yes, they could have plans. The plan not work out. Them just unfortunate. Yes, some of them could have plans. And things backfire upon them. But the main fact of the matter is the woman said no for them have never have no plan. And it's true. Just as you say, some of them chose stone behind them and things change. You never see say life hard. Why you never send your money come a yard? You rich you. Now you're living like that. Squander your money. Yes, man. Not a line, not a letter, nor a 50-cent stamp. Mama they are yard and cannot go to remittance. You understand? Because what? You turn a blind eye. Because America nice. You achieve. But you never remember saying America you're born. Some of them did it all long and achieve where them could have even spend them money. Because marriage yourself, forget them straight. And not even that them not think about. Because life so sweet it all the way them do them think about that level there. Because what? Them never have no plan. The only plan with them the right it have is must say family planning. Because them just want to breed up and say them have much American. You understand? But them never plan to sort out themselves. Because them feel like all the way happen for them, it happen so easy, so it will continue to happen. Your plan is to reach, anyhow you reach, sort yourself out, set yourself on a level, start earn some cash, and think back home. Despite you have some of the people them where you might just send back your money back home to mess up your money, you have some of them tell you say them a build a house and them go show you one man house and tell you say yes, we reach the second floor and when it's a next man house them a show you. And when you come you still see one big work land. But you have to find somebody to trust. You understand? You have to find somebody to trust. Simple as that. Because It best you find somebody to trust and hope for the best more than you have everything up there and lose it and come back a yard and have nothing. If you even find somebody to start and build a half-finished house where you send it enough money for it finish, but it half-finished, at least when you come, you have that can buffer around. More than you have the and everything gone to the government, feds, like everything. So you have to find somebody for trust. Simple as that. So you have to have a plan. The woman not say nothing wrong. And not the different way you say right now, you're not saying it in a different way. And all the way you say no, and when the woman talk about plans, you back then were saying the same thing. You might not use the term of a plan, but basically it was the same thing you were saying. Plus you go as far as wanted Chumpy to come in to get rid of some of these people, because when the pressure reach it, bust your pipe. And you want to see the worst of these people. So why now this woman coming out talking about plan, you have a problem? Because you never have a plan.
I pass and hear it. Jealous, I'm bad man because I interview. Then I will do the most interview by with people. 99 learn from me. And my program should keep and care go over program. Yo! Move your blood clot from your girl.
Yo!
And me teacher if you come on social media, my blood clot platform she come from. And carry my idea go over for your platform. I will the bomb clot theater out. Go suck your mother, bitch. Go suck your mother.
Whoa! You want to be 99 so bad. You want to be 99 so bad.
And me she learn from. She used to sit down and just take charity money and sit down and chat for people years old. And me she learn from. When charity a flop, she turn over to interview. Move your blood clot. I don't want to interview nobody. My words is powerful enough. A long time I talk to them.
Alright, are you should follow? She should just sit down and collect charity money and chat foolishness. And the people them take on to the foolishness so much. There's a lot of people that foolishness inspired. There's a lot of people life the foolishness change. But at the same time, she take that from you where she start interview people. Who you ever interview, Curly? Me and you have a calling program. I beg people for calling for cuss off people. And not even that nobody I do. So, come on. Name me 2 or 3 somebody where you can say interview. Them not have to be a celebrity. But 2 somebody are play back a tape where you interview somebody with some sense and quality and understanding of whatever the topic is about. And make you hear the good reasoning. Give you your memories. Run back our memories. You must can find that on your page. Because if I am going to do a show where I interview people, I go title it interview. Or if me have a show, my platform, me never start off and say, boy, this person will call in. But if this person call in, when me a title that video, if me didn't even title it already, me I go change the title, because you can do. You understand? You have the privilege to change the title. And say, boy, Beyonce call in, or Jay-Z call in, or one of them big stars call in for my program. Where you think me I got title it as? Anything we title before I got erase. Because me I got title it now. Interview with Jay-Z, interview with Beyonce, interview with this, interview. Me I got put that there now, so that the video is easy to find. So go dig up one of them memories there and carry come show me who you have interviewed. Because you say 99 I follow you and interview people. Because I be she used to sit down and chat and foolishness. So show me where she pattern from you. Show me who you used to interview. Come play 2 memories. Remember now you can't tell me say camera never in them time there, like how you come tell me say camera never in when you do the charity down in your country and then something there. Because of the same phone you used to the interview. So go back in your catalog and find the video and come give your memories. You just want to be 99 so bad that you feel like 99 is you. That you know, you want to be 99 so bad that you feel like 99 trying to be you. Look at you.
What she say, women say, what is she saying that I don't say? More than she put in her word in a more degrading, intellectual way for the people them. Jealous of what? Me can't jealous of people and I made a number one chatter. Them chat out here. Me ever trend. Jealous of what? My name ever call, good or bad. Ever call. So me can't jealous of she. A one and two somebody call for your name. The whole YouTube blogger didn't call my name. So when you check the ratio, me more relevant than she. Me a bigger deal than she.
Then a true a clown, man.
Call my name call up more than her.
What your name call up on?
So
The wrong things.
Jealous of something. Yeah. She know nothing about immigration. And she a chat. More than she sitting there looking wild and nervous and afraid. After she
Just like how you afraid. One come out here come cuss Raga Shanti talking about the same issue of immigration. That she come out here and say Raga Shanti is not an immigration lawyer. Now you come out here and cuss this woman. Eh? Nobody no stop when if I'm going to search people and get people for come on phone platform, come speak and, educate the people, the non-immigrants, the non-documented persons, the persons with green card, the persons who are sitting waiting on citizenship or waiting on green card. Get people to come out here, come educate them now. Why you sitting down criticize other people platform with other people who is on it? Trying to educate people, try to uplift people. Some people come out and speak their mind about some of these people who, because of negligence, they neglect them own self in America because they get so much chance after so many years into America to sort themselves out. But choose not to because of one reason or the other. You understand? I don't know if they are none ambitious just like you. Or them just never get an opportunity because sometimes, as me say, it's not everybody fortunate. There are some people who have tried for years to achieve something in their life. And I say them not push out the effort. And I say them not try to put in the work. But it just not work for them. When them are do wrong, them don't know. Them try every different formula. Why the other next man just come one go and everything just work for him? That's how life is. But we are talking about the one that don't even make a step forward for do nothing at all. And because, yes, them can't just sit down right here, so them get food to eat, them get money to spend, them have shelter. Remember now, most of them sometimes them provide the food, the shelter. And you still have people that give them money to spend. So them feel like life is going to be that easy at all times. So them don't get up off of them rump and go out there, go sit out in the street stay. To earn, feed them own. So so nobody can tell them about feed them own or feed them own that. Them now have to sit and wait for jig or jal. If you carry $1 come or carry food come. Because guess what, them start provide for themselves. But as me say, not everybody fortunate.
see if either. Yeah? Look how much time she got to Jamaica from she migrate up here. She paying the taxes.
That's a worry.
I just first you go pay the taxes of your YouTube channel. You pay taxes from your 17 blood clot year in this account.
So she fly up, she get her green card, then I fly to Canada go check her son. She fly to Jamaica and fly back to America. Then fly down back to Jamaica for her business. Which all that is on her documentation. Me not ask you that. Me is not a flyer. Me is not a holder of a passport. Me don't know nothing, but me can tell you this. All this is documented. Where the US government is concerned and Donna documentation where our business is concerned. So Donna basically have privilege to do so. You understand? So with the woman fly down, just as she get her green card, it's no problem. Why it be a problem to you when it is not a problem to the immigration or the American government, the American embassy? The woman fly up back and come back down for her baking season. Why it be a problem to you when it's not a problem to the American embassy? Eh? What you know about green card? And one thing we know, Donna go up on her right birth certificate. You never go up on your right birth certificate. And this is why you don't know your age. Or this is why you're confused with your age. Because you have two birth certificates. The one you rig up to carry you up with the adoption and your original birth certificate. So you continue to use the adoption birth certificate to feel like you're 52 when you're soon 64, which is your original birth paper. So I don't know why you're worried about Donna flying here and flying there and them, like, you're just so jealous and you make it so obvious because you that right now with your chumpy in a power, and this is why you come out here and say so much things that you say, and now I try to twist your mouth now because you might find yourself in the heat of the fire. You understand? But you used to say these things because you don't mind chumpy come in and revoke the woman green card. She and many of our supporters was why you singing like you want Trump to come into power, you know. Because all that he has promised, you would like to see fall along for them wayside. Never know say the heat or the fire will reach you too. Or it possible to reach you too. With all the way I say. That you have in your shell too, because you don't know what next. You don't know what Trumpy might draw for next. Remember, place of birth, Jamaica, not America. That is what in your passport. Donna pay her tax, you know. Whether she fly 3 times, no time, or spend 2 months in America, Donna pay tax in America before she even reach America. They never know she have to live in America and stay in America. You know what tax Jamaican we have dual citizenship are paid to America, and most time they spend half of them time at Jamaica because of them business. Oh.
Who is talking about she? Me talk about the woman where I interview, where I chat for people years old. I put on people. Where it's argument where she should give that long time. It don't make no sense. Some of them only want to get little relevance on social media. They don't have a fuck to say. Them just educated dunce. That's what them is. Them not do them work.
Are you serious? It's saying what you just said? But you're not educated dunce. You're just a dunce.
And tired. That's what them is. And when them give advice, them not even help them sisters and brother until it's too late. Them just want come up here and show off on people. Say who have house and who don't have no house.
Who show off like you?
And then can't blood clot maintain if America don't want them here.
So when you come and flash your American passport, now show off your show off on people with not have none. Now show off your show off on non undocumented people. When you come out here and have your crab leg, you say you go here so you fly there so vacation here so now show off your show off. So are you alone for come out here and show off? Okay, are you alone for the things, Marcia? You are the big deal.
What kind of lifestyle I'm living here? I think it's easy to live in Jamaica. I think it's easy to live in Jamaica when people don't want money. And whoever send money, go give them. But some of them not the woman, them better make the good man when they have us to stand beside them just in case. When they can't send something give them because Jamaica hard. Even though the Prime Minister talks and him have things in place for them. If they have one Ross and they welcome them back home. When I like me go to Jamaica, I have only land to build pan 2 bamboo and put up. I ask you. And I like say me that go back now and I have no to stay. I have nice comfortable place to stay.
Now fool the public. I think actually everybody over here now know about you. No new person over here right now, Marcia. You can't fool nobody over here. We know you not know where to come back to. And, you know, it's a shame if you're counting on people place to come. It's a shame. You never, you don't know what a hardware receipt look like. Marcia, hold on. I don't know if I forgot to put me on it right now. I don't want to hold up my time because I say I want a tooth video tonight. I was going to get a bag with some hardware receipt. Marcia, you don't even know how a hardware receipt look. So which part you have place to come stay? People place? Then suppose these people there think just like you, Marcia. Say them don't want to own nowhere. I wish part you that come live. Who you to? But you have land. And people think you want to get up and own every day. After waste out all the days America, you want to come own people things. Who you to?
I tell you, land can't
How long now you have in the
Some
land
of
there
them
and now you not
and
put
them
up a
going back
foundation?
everything. They come from town, them not have, everybody have them space full up already. Full up. With all kind of picnic this and picnic that. Fuck up, send back to fix up one little house. So where them going back to? You see how he hurry me up to come down for lunch and all now they doing the survey yet. I tell him all the time, you know, if you follow me. The later you come down here, later you get served first. Every time you come down here, it's like...
All because she want to stay up on the phone to do her life. She want to dictate when the man to go for him lunch.
12:30, 12:40 before we come down. It's nice. She ain't in a position to get up. Yeah, well, she could share a platform for this, but whether the woman there talk about great. What if you should have a plan. When you have to America, if you have a plan. Then if you have the RAS plan, just come and just work with the flow. It just happened that this man come in and change everything. I think people were putting plan in perspective in a 2024-5. I think people were starting to get themselves together, but because there was more lean way open with gay and less.
Why you wait till 2025? Because 2024, you hear say the election I go call, and the election called 2024. I don't know who is the winner. Why you wait till 2025 when you have many years before? Unlike you, I'll know you didn't start putting a plan. I'll know.
Yeah, and all kind of something. And there was opening. And even though them take him, you see Donald Trump try to spy by demoting the laws them and taking out things for sure. So listen, I'm here now, me a flap your show. Everything with Donald Trump I do a revenge. But it's not going to work because I only have 4 years left. And me I'll tell you, say I'm not telling the 4 years, they might impeach him. You see that God don't take him or they might impeach him.
Boy, trying to make him here. I will be sending for you.
Program now, I talk about say people come up foreign. Them should have a plan. And them, when them come up, when them come, them should have a plan. Like say people know what life is going to be. Some people
You're supposed to prepare for it, whatever it's going to be. You
can't come up foreign with a plan.
dirty, sure.
Without and you don't get your green card yet, an American citizen. So the one Donna, she have a woman on her page, like she want come, like she want downgrade the people them. Like I give some advice in a one way. Like she want put them down in a one way, like, oh, everybody should have a plan and this and that. Then what kind of plan you need for have? When you come here, go and work, go and do what you have to do and sort out yourself.
So are you alone to come downgrade people for your platform? Oh.
With people, me always come and talk to them, you know. Me I talk to them for years, you know. And tell them, say, you know, make sure, say, they find one little man and one little something. I'm married to. What kind of plan? Me here, she talk about them, everybody, they need to have a plan. You can't just come America so and have no plan. Move and go sit down, lady. Some here say she never hold them the discussion there when Biden in a power. But all of a sudden now Trump come. What makes she never go hold a discussion there when Biden was in power? Then I have no legal jurisdiction for holding up no immigration status over here.
Because you're not a citizen.
By the American laws.
Are you alone a citizen?
Either. You catching a call? Yeah? Crutch too. And that if you go do. Me don't want you suck me crutch because I'm in a lazy. Go and suck out Donna menopausal scratch. Bitch.
Now who trouble again when they come in?
I observe anything that I want to observe, just like how them observe me. Go and suck.
You don't pass, man. You go on the woman platform, go watch her out, boy, you pass. It's part of your pass.
Crutch. Because when you walk around and name pussy. You understand? And that you have to do. Nobody in the business with your opinion. Me walk and I go on any blood clot, view any page when me see. If me want to peep. Just as how they come here and peep and chat me have all right.
You say you don't watch your woman every day you go peep. Every day you go peep. You peep in town?
Because of my contents, that's why she can't come up with some program and give you no. Me are the best in the east, west, north and south.
Where put you?
She can't test me no time when it comes to chatting.
Put you on a clown stand.
You understand? Me and a laughing stock on social media.
Of
Me
course
is
you
a
are.
star on social media. Me is
Falling
a
star.
star on social media. And when you're a star, you have to be talked about.
You're a falling star.
Me is a star on social media. You see how my face pretty? Then her face is pretty so. You see how we look? Pretty. She's a star. A star off it about. Don't get it twisted, motherfucker. Nobody no fling stone. My green mango. They fling it by right.
God, you know that's why I get up every day and fling stone over the woman yard.
So me off it about.
That's why I get up every day and fling stone over the woman
Me
yard.
pretty like a blood clot money. You don't see how me look when I come out here? Eh? You don't see how me look refined and nice. Look at my lips here. Look at my cheekbone. Look at me. You can't touch this none at all. Me, a big deal out of this blood clot. A whole heap of people out here. And I'm master then lick back. Me's a star.
What you mean? Cause you me I look out for my son. This I give me my son dinner with me I do. Pull your toe.
Lord, that is it. Me's a star. Me's a star. You watch me every day. Because you come over here, comes up on my page.
That's why you can say Donna a star too, cause you watch Donna every day.
You don't go on nobody page if they're not relevant, boy. You can't go on nobody now go on nobody page if you're not relevant,
Anyway,
boy.
speak your mind, people. Bless upon yourself. Thanks for watching.
Ali the designer, whatever you
We
want.
come to the end.
Go and suck your man with a stick.
Another video.
You're not ready. You're depressed. You're lonely. When last you get one little joke, I have to use a dildo battery. Girl, go away. You walk around and watch Donna pussy like a nightingale.
Just like you. Just like you. Just like you. You're not different. So speak your mind, people. You don't know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up on the video, and please to watch the ads. Continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV and YouTube, and follow me on TikTok Life is a Mission TV, favorited Life is a Mission TV, and please go support the merch. Check out charmsandtrend.shop website for my t-shirts and my caps. Oh, and I have an announcement to make where the cap is concerned. I will do that in the next video. Yes, so I'm just gonna support the merch, speak my mind merch. Help me so I can help the needy and not the greedy. Alright? Because, as me say, me not run no charity. And me not bound nobody to send nothing in the cash app. Although I want to ask for it. So me say, when you no gift me, me use the gift to give back to the needy. Which the cash app is there, $ charms and trends. And you don't know, as me say, me not gonna stop saying it's just a little handful of people will send a thing, and it's not like they make it a point of duty that every month them send, but I still do what I have to do. And sometimes this month one will send, next month the other one will send, yeah, because everybody have their own responsibility. And as I'm saying, I'm not coming out here to beg anybody nothing. People wish to give me because they love me, so me use a gift to give back to the needy. Alright, so support the merch, and when you support the merch, that help me even more, you know, can assist the needy and not the greedy. Charmsandtrend.shop, and check out the business page charm_and_trends and Instagram. Anything you see, you get it customized. Just drop in the DM for further information. Alright, bless upon yourself. As I say, you can probably look out for a second video I don't show yet, make sure it work out. Alright, bless up.